This video is brought to you by Team the Traveler Game. It's a cool ultimate puzzle game designed with high-end 2D graphics. And I'm pretty sure you will definitely love this game. So download it now and enjoy. Link in the description down below. This is the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 and currently is the king in the budget smartphone category. Hi, I am Femil from fmjtech.com and let's see some of the fabulous reasons to buy an Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. Before we get started, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notifications to keep up with our incredible new updates. So let's get right into the video. The first and the foremost reason to buy an Zenfone Max Pro M2 is its incredible 5000 mAh battery. According to my usage, it gives around 1 to 2 days of battery backup for heavy usage and 2 to 3 days of backup for normal usage. It's really an amazing thing compared to other smartphones in this segment. Okay, the second reason to buy this device is its screen protection. Yes, this smartphone is protected by the Gorilla Glass 6, which is the very latest version of Corning. So even the device falls with screen, there won't be any problem, and it can even withstand 15 falls if the height is around 1 meter. So that's pretty impressive. The third reason to buy an Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 is the Snapdragon 660 processor. In terms of performance and day-to-day experience, I can say that it is lag-free and smooth working. Even there is no heating issues till now with my usage. Also, the heavy graphics gaming experience is pretty good. The fourth reason is the stock Android experience. I really love stock Android experience because it's clean and there is no third-party apps installed out of the box other than the basic Google apps. So that's so cool. The fifth reason to buy the Zenfone Max Pro M2 is the upgraded camera compared to the Zenfone Max Pro M1. This device has Sony IMX486 lens. We have 12 and 5 megapixel rear camera combination with 1.8 aperture and a 13 megapixel front camera. The detailed camera review video of this device will be uploaded soon on this channel. These are some of the reasons to buy an Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. For more, visit fmjtech.com or check out the link in the description. So that's it for this video and I will catch you in the next one.